Hey everybody, it's Erin from theyouthmethod.com, and I'm excited to show this recipe to you. So many people love the Shamrock shake. Guys, it has 93 grams of sugar in it. And as you guys all know by now, I'm not a huge fan of refined sugar because it increases inflammation in your body. It causes bloating, it makes your skin break out, it accelerates your aging, it causes diseases. It's just not good for you. So I have a delicious recipe for you today that is healthy but tastes delicious, and people are loving it. It tastes just like the Shamrock shake, but made with healthy ingredients and no refined sugars. So it's actually got superfood ingredients in it, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of. So in honor of St. Patty's Day, this is the recipe I'm doing today. And I'm also super excited because I have a brand new kitchen tool, which I love so much, which is my new NutriBullet Balance. This thing is amazing, you guys. This handy little blender can actually be attached to an app on your phone or whatever device you want through Bluetooth. And it has, I'll show you if you can see this, it has all of these amazing recipes on it that you can just click on a recipe and the recipe tells you exactly what needs to go in it, exactly how to blend it, how many calories it is, all of this amazing stuff. I'll show you here too. It actually shows you how to put the ingredients in. It's so much fun. So you know exactly what you're eating, exactly what the calories, fat, macros, all of those things that if you want to know those, you can. So, and it's all in this handy little blender. I love it. So this is called the NutriBullet Balance. I will have a link to it below this video if you want to check it out. It's awesome. It's my favorite new gadget. So, okay. Let's get on, oh, and one other thing is what I'll also have below the video is I'll have this recipe also listed below. So if you don't have time to watch the whole video, you can still make this delicious Shamrock shake copycat. It's so good. Okay, so what you're gonna start with, and with the NutriBullet, you kind of have to be, and it tells you on the app, which is nice, and this particular recipe is mine, so it's not on the app. But any app, any recipe that you find on the app, it tells you exactly how to put it in. So what I'm going to start with is I'm actually going to put the spinach in first. So we're going to use, and this is what makes it green, and you don't taste it, I promise. You're going to put about a handful or a cup of baby spinach. You're going to put that in first. And then you're going to put in, I have a half of a frozen banana right here. Delicious. This makes it really nice and sweet without the added sugars. If you don't have a frozen banana and you want to make this today, you can also use like a scoop of unsweetened protein powder. And I am absolutely loving this particular one. I have 4 that I like, but I just started trying this one, and this is actually a plant protein based protein powder, and I'm using vanilla because that tastes better in the Shamrock shake. You're welcome to use chocolate too, but this is amazing. I'll have the link to this below too. It is so delicious because some of those protein powder ones that are plant-based can be a little gritty. This one's delicious. I love it. So instead of the banana, you could use a scoop of that, but today I'm going to use the banana. That was a half of a banana. And then we're going to do, normally when I make this shake, but I'm not going to do it today because I don't have it. I totally thought I had an avocado, and I was setting up for this and I don't have one. So normally you would put a half of an avocado in here, and again, that'll be in the recipe below the video. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra spinach, so make sure it's nice and green, because we want that pretty green color that we all love with the Shamrock shake. So like I said, normally you'd put half avocado, and then the next ingredients are you're gonna do about 2 teaspoons of organic vanilla extract. You're just gonna put that in there. And then you're going to do a tablespoon. I usually do like a half to a 1 tablespoon, depending on how much sweetness you like, of raw pure honey. So you're going to put that right in there. I might need a little scooper here. And you guys know, I can explain again how awesome raw pure honey is. It has so many beautiful antioxidants, and that's why it's really important that it's raw pure honey, because if you don't get that honey, the honey you buy is probably going to be cooked at high temperatures, which takes away all of those beautiful benefits that raw pure honey has. So make sure it's raw pure honey. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 1 cup of water, nice cold water. So you have a nice cold smoothie. And then I have 6 ounces of coconut milk. That's gonna make it nice and creamy. So I'm gonna put that in there. And if this doesn't turn out green enough because I don't have my avocado, we'll just add spinach in at the end. That's what I love about spinach is you don't taste it in smoothies. And then my fun add to make it all minty and yummy is you can either use a teaspoon of peppermint extract, but I actually have peppermint essential oils. So if you have an essential oil, you just want to use about 1 to 2 drops because it's much stronger. So I'm just going to put 1, 2. Okay. 2 drops of that makes it taste so yummy and delicious. Okay, so now this is the fun thing. With the NutriBullet Balance, you've got this handy blade here. You just twist right onto the cup. And then you just put that right on there. And you guys, and then I don't know if you've used a NutriBullet before, but it's so easy. Just press down and turn. And as you can see, look at that beautiful green color. I forgot a glass. So I don't know if you guys know me well enough yet, but if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you know I love to drink in pretty glasses. I don't know what it is, but it makes me happy. And I love it. So as you can see, this awesome green yummy smoothie, and it's a little less thick today than my normal smoothie turns out because I don't have the avocado. So it'll be even creamier if you have the avocado. And I wish you could taste this, but maybe you're making it alongside with me so you can taste it. Look how easy that is. I mean, if you wanted, you could drink it right out of this cup. This is called the Colossal Cup from the NutriBullet Balance. So after that's all blended, that's when I like to add the ice. You can add the ice at the beginning, like when all the other ingredients are in there. I just like to do it separate. It's just a preference of mine. So I'm gonna put the cap back on. We're gonna blend just a little bit more. So now that we have it all blended, after I put the ice in, yummy. And again, you could just drink it right from here, but I love my pretty glasses. So I'm gonna pour it right in the glass, and then this way you can see how delicious it looks too. It really looks like a Shamrock shake, and it tastes like a Shamrock shake. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So I hope you love the Shamrock shake once you try it. If you haven't tried it already, it is delicious. And if you want help on a full plan to help you enjoy delicious food like this and still lose weight and feel amazing, please check out my 72-hour Flat Belly Detox below. It's full of amazing recipes like this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, even desserts. And it also has 3 of my 10-minute workouts. So it's just a really great jump start to get you going and feeling amazing. So I hope you check that out below. That's below the video. The recipe is below the video. And I would also love it if you would comment on future recipes you'd like to see me do. And also subscribe to my channel below so you get notified of when I put new videos up, or you can also subscribe right here. And we'll see you guys next time.